connected to what you just said there, I've often thought that our life is coming together of these two things, like you say, creating your purpose and discovering your purpose.
Yes.
And creation is kind of this artistic and discovering is more scientific. So it's the blending of these two fundamental energies, right?
Sure, sure. We'll talk about it like this. The scientist and the reality they are discovering are one and the same. They are the same thing. So the underlying intelligence that is the reality crafts that which will be discovered. And then it discovers itself through manifesting as the scientist, whom then makes whatever that discovery is. So both are the same intelligence.
And same thing for the artist. The artist is the creation it creates.
Yes, precisely. The created reality already exists and has created as an extension of itself the artist that will eventually create it.
In myself, I recognize maybe most human beings fall more on one side of the artist or the scientist, but I feel like I seem to be halfway in between these two and working to blend that creation and discovery.
Yes, and this will remain a prominent theme for you. The key is to understand how to get these two seemingly opposing archetypes to fall in love. That will be the biggest challenge for you. Because it's very easy for these two archetypes to point out the faults of the other or to bicker. It can be easy for these types of energies to do that. But instead, see if you can get these energies to be like partners, like a boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife. See if you can get these two seemingly opposing archetypes to come together. And what you'll find is their differences become points of attraction rather than points of contention. The things that seemed repulsive about one will eventually become attractive. Get them to see the best in each other. And you'll find they get closer and closer together until they become inseparable. And you'll find that that powerful hybrid archetype within you of the artistic scientist, or whatever you wish to call it, will become active. You are sort of birthing a new archetype that is complementing a whole series of hybrid archetypes that will become common on the new earth, that will be common in this new eon you're all moving into. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does. And that's where the alchemist and the magician archetype really seem to resonate with this idea of combining the artist and the scientist.
Yes.